Hello traders, welcome to another edition of Weekly Forex Forecast, which is for 22nd to 26th of February 2021.
A quick disclaimer. This analysis is based on my personal opinion and not intended as financial or investment advice. Please ensure you understand the risk involved before trading next week. And for more Forex educational contents, do not forget to subscribe to our Forex Academy.
The analysis which I gave last week is still active on the British Pound Sterling USD. So we are still watching out for the possibility of a bearish pullback before anticipating a bullish interest. Euro USD is still under the influence of the right shoulder here. And we can see how price made a bearish rotation below the support trend line. Also, price closed back above the neckline of the head and shoulder here. Therefore, this currency pair is gradually transforming into a range market. It's advisable to stay out of a range market. The USD Japanese yen worked out as I forecasted last week about bullish bias. Therefore, the USD Japanese yen currency pair is gradually transforming into a bullish wave setup. The oil market is on the boom right now, and this is really favoring the Canadian dollars positively. My forecast last week on USD Swiss is still active. We can see the bulls are still defending the right shoulder of the inverse head and shoulder pattern here. Also take note, the Fed Chair Powell will testify on the semi-annual monetary policy report before the Senate Banking Committee next week. And this could trigger some volatility on the USD currency pairs next week. I shared with you last week about my personal trade of interest, and which is the Australian USD and New Zealand USD. The forecast went as I analyzed, and I'm still trailing my position in profit on these currency pairs. If you are trading this currency pair, do not forget there's high impact news coming on New Zealand next week. And this is the Reserve Bank of New Zealand monetary interest rate statement. This may constitute volatility on these currency pairs next week. Remember, news is unpredictable. Therefore, I will close my trade before the release of this high-impact news.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you ensure a reasonable risk-reward system in your trade decisions next week.